Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to Jika Marie and Skostakli Bumalik Ka Sakin official music video, no? I guess this is the second time, no, that they have this collaboration. The first one is a banging song. I assume this is going to be a banger as well. I mean, it's Skostakli and also Jika Marie. You know, we have to just expect greatness now every time that they drop a song. So I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm really excited, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Nawala ang init ng aking higaan. Magmula nung araw na di na ako yung pahinga. Kala
Nawala ng init ng aking higaan. Simula nung dumating araw na hindi na ako yung pahinga.
magmula nung araw na di na ako
Magmula nung araw na hindi na ako yung pahinga, man. They're writing.
yung pahinga. Kala mo ba gano'n lamang kadali? Bumitaw sa una yung nagpapatulog sa akin gabi-gabi.
Hey.
Sa iyong labi.
Hey.
Lampi sa aking tanging pag-ibig. Mapawi, buhat sakit. Ngunit ngayon tila nangungulila. Sana di na lang sinanay.
Oh my God.
Na iyong yakap pa rin nga'y kakapay. Ngayon ako'y nanginginig, hindi mabalik. Please baby, bumalik ka sa'kin.
Oh man, the vocals though. The vocals of Jika Marie, but the song, man. This is a song for all of those, people na still hoping, still hope ya, no? Still hope ya. Hope ya come back, no? Naghihintay pa rin, man. It's surely gonna hit.
Bumalik,
Hey.
yeah. Oh.
Who I just know Skostakli is gonna eat this song, man. This type of vibe, no? Master na master na Skostakli yung mga ganitong klase ng tema, no?
Sarili ngayon lang nakikilala. Gustong magpaliwanag kaso nga lang huli na.
Sarili ngayon ko palang nakikilala. Gusto magpaliwanag kaso nga lang huli na. Yung again, the writing in here is fucking phenomenal. Kasi ngayon mo lang nakikilala yung sarili mo. Now you know kung ano yung mali mo. Gusto mo na mag-explain. Para maybe maayos, magkaroon ng resolution. But huli na.
Malinaw pa rin sa'king di ka alis. Wala akong magawa kundi ang magtiis.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Ka alis, wala nakikilala. Gustong magpaliwanag kaso nga lang huli na. Malinaw pa rin sa'king di ka alis.
Malinaw pa rin sa akin di ka aalis. 'Di ba? Parang kasi ang alam niya sa sarili niya hindi talaga siya aalis, no? Hindi niya na-expect na aalis yung babae. So parang hindi nag-make sense, parang hindi totoo na nangyayari.
Wala akong magawa kundi ang magtiis. Kahit masakit, dating pagtingin di na makita ang babalik. Kahit
Oh, man. We're posing too much. Ang dating pagtingin, hindi na makitang babalik. Like the wordplay sa pagtingin and makita. Right? Dating pagtingin, hindi na makitang babalik. Oh, man.
dating pagtingin di na makita ang babalik. Kahit magsinungaling sa harap ng salamin. Ang tunay na hiling ko'y bumalik ka sa'kin.
Ooh, that shot, man. Look at this shot. Come on, man. Oh, wow. Very creative. I guess ang gusto lang sabihin dito is like, if you're in love, you know, everything you see is just flowers, you know? Like maaliwalas, parang maganda, masaya because you're in love. Because they're sitting in the car and then buong paligid nila is puro bulaklak. I guess that's the meaning of this. But big ups kung sino man yung nag-ayos ng set because this is very creative, no?
Bumalik ka sa akin.
Sana di na lang ako sila.
Sana di na lang.
Mayroon pa rin maging gagabay. Ngayong ako'y nanginginig, hindi mapakali.
Please baby, bumalik ka sa akin.
Bumalik, yeah.
Back in my arms, back in my bed, oh baby.
Oh. No, man, that's just sad, no? Let's go. All right, well again, that's Chica Marie and Skostakli, Bumalik Ka Sa'kin, no? Man, ano bang na-expect natin, no? That song is another slapper. At the same time, no, the music video, like the cinematic shot, the creative set, and all like the double meaning sa lahat ng nakikita sa set. Like, for example, for Chica Marie, diba? Like the broken glass, is looking at the broken glass, nakikita niya yung sarili niya doon sa broken glass because again, she's broken. Also, her drowning sa bathtub, because again, she's drowning because gusto niyang bumalik but wala siyang magawa. So, she's drowning, di siya makahinga. No, parang di ka makasigaw kasi hindi pwede kasi wala na. And at the same time, kay Skostakli, like everything is flower at the end of the song. We can see Skostakli sitting at the sofa, smelling the flower. Tapos sa buong paligid niya is may flower, parang reminiscing sa ano yung pakiramdam ng dati. And also on the set on the car, diba? And may mga usok-usok. It represents like, matagal na siya. It's a past. Again, everything is just beautiful. The song, the music video. This is a 10 out of 10 music video for me, man. This is a 10 out of 10 music video, man. Alright, well, again, that is Chica Marie and Skostakli, Bumalik Ka Sa'kin. Marami na lang tatamaan sa kantang to, no? But yeah, I really enjoyed that. No, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. And if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.